I'm extremely grateful to receive this Warrick Award as it validates the hard work of so many to protect the human health of our region. I must first thank Bruce Hart, who makes sure I calm down and stay sane on most days. I thank David Karpovich for giving me the chance to do beach testing so many years ago. I thank the chemistry department and the SBESI for letting us take up so much lab space. I must especially thank Melissa Woodward, Kara Shaw, and sponsored programs for always keeping me on my toes. I'm also grateful for my lab manager, Jennifer Tyrell, as well as Matt Klein of the Independent Testing Lab and the whole Michigan network. But most of all, I must acknowledge my students, April, Emily, Trenton, Denise, James, Megan, Tyler, Kathy, Shannon, I'm sure there's more, and my current rock stars, Mark, Caleb, Carson, and Ashlyn, who have willingly worked with sewage samples and let me leave the room when I start to gag. I'm so proud of what all these students have done at SVSU and continue to be amazed at how they soar when they leave. Without them, none of this would be successful. I must also express my gratitude to my parents who instilled in me some sort of crazy work ethic. My husband, Jason, and my daughter, Sabina, have had to put up with me being gone a lot, both physically and mentally. But I must dedicate this award to Jonas, who, as an 8-year-old, had to spend the summer of 2020 on a deserted campus with his mom, her research students, Mark and Caleb, as we frantically figured out how to quantify virus RNA levels from poop.